Hello friends, welcome to Anurag's Basic Computer, Fundamental of Computer, Class 11, both English and Bengali medium. Today we learn about Internet and Services, Class number 7. For any query, please WhatsApp in this number 76021 Internet and Services. The Internet is a worldwide network of computers that are able to exchange information with each other. Internet stands for International Network, which began in 1950s by Vint Cerf, known as the father of Internet. Internet is a network of networks that consists millions of private and public networks of local to global scope. Global scope. Basically, network is a group of two or more computer systems linked together. History of Internet. In 1969, the University of California at Los Angeles and the University of Utah were connected for the beginning of the ARPANET. ARPANET full form is Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. Using 50 kbps circuits, it was the world's first operational packet switching network. The goal of this project was to connect computers at different universities and US defense. The only drawback of NSF-Net was that it allowed only the academic research of its network and not any kind of private business on it. So private organizations and people started working to build their own networks, which were later interconnected with ARPANET and NSF-Net from the Internet. Advantages of Internet. Internet সুবিধা. The advantages of Internet are as follows. Allows you to easily communicate with other people. Global reach enables one to connect anyone of the Internet. Publishing documents on the Internet saves paper. A valuable resource for companies to advertise and conduct business. Greater access to information, reduce research time. Disadvantages of Internet. Internet অসুবিধাগুলি হলো it is a major source of computer viruses. Messages sent across the Internet can be easily intercepted and are open to abuse by others. Much of the information is not checked and may be incorrect or irrelevant. Unsuitable and undesirable material available that sometimes is used by notorious people such as terrorists. Cyber fraud may take place involving credit, debit cards, card numbers and details. Internet connection. Bandwidth and cost are the two factors that help you in deciding which internet connection is to use. The speed of internet access depends on the bandwidth. Some of the internet connections available for internet access are as follows. Dial-up connection. Dial-up is a method of connecting to the internet using an existing telephone. When a user initiates a dial-up connection, the modem dials a phone number of an internet service provider ISP that is designated to receive dial-up calls. The ISP then establishes the connection, which usually takes about 10 seconds and is accompanied by several beeping and buzzing sounds. Its transfer speed is 56 kbps. Broadband connection. The term broadband commonly refers to high-speed internet access that is always on and faster than the traditional dial-up access. It uses a telephone line to connect to the internet. The transfer speed of broadband connection is 256 kbps. Broadband connection. Broadband includes several high-speed transmission technologies such as digital subscriber line বা DSL. It is a popular broadband connection. It provides internet access by transmitting digital data over the wires of a local telephone network. DSL is the most common type of broadband service. It uses the existing copper telephone lines. Its transfer speed is 256 kbps. এবার আসি এমসিকিউ তে। 15টি এমসিকিউ এখানে দেওয়া আছে। The vast network of computers that connects millions of people all over the world is called option A LAN, option B web, option C hypertext, option D internet. Answer হচ্ছে internet. The internet is a system of option software bundles, web pages, website, interconnected networks. Option D interconnected networks. The internet is option A large networks of network, a internal communication system for a business, a communication system for the Indian government, all of the above. Option D all of the above. The internet allows to option A send electronic mail, view web pages, connect to servers all around the world, all of the above. Option D all of the above. Which of the is an example of connectivity? Option A internet, option B floppy disk, option C power cord, option D data. Answer হচ্ছে option A. Internet was developed in the option 1950s, 1960s, 1970s, 1980s. Option A 1950s. Which of the following is not a type of broadband internet connection? Option A cable, option B DSL বা digital subscriber line, option C dial-up, option D BPL, option C dial-up. Question number 8. What does the acronym ISP stands for? Option A, internet service provider. Option B, international service provider. Option C, internet service provider. Option D, internet service providing. Option E, internet service provision. Option C, internet service provider. Your business has contracted with another company to have them host and run an application for your company over the internet. The company providing this service to your business is called an option A, internet service provider. Option B, internet access provider. Option C, application service provider. Option D, application access provider. Right answer is option A, internet service provider. DSL is an example of which connection? Option A, network. Option B, wireless. Option C, slow. Option D, broadband. Right answer is option D, broadband. Dash networks can be used for public internet access as hotspot, such as restaurants, coffee shops, etc. Option A, Wi-Fi. Option B, WiMAX. Option C, DSL. Option D, BPL. Option A, Wi-Fi. Right answer. The standard protocol of the internet is option A, TCP/IP. Option B, Java. Option C, HTML. Option D, Flash. Option A is the right answer, TCP/IP. In computing, IP address means option A, international pin, internet protocol, invalid pin, insert pin. Option B, internet protocol is the right answer. Each IP packet must contain option A, only source address, only destination address. C, source and destination addresses, source and destination address. E, none of the above. Option C is the right answer, source and destination addresses. Last question today. An IP address phone number. An IP address is dash bit number. Option A, 8. Option B, 16. Option C, 32. Option 4, 64. Right answer is option C, 32 bit. Thank you. ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগলে প্লিজ লাইক, কমেন্ট এন্ড শেয়ার করো। PDF are available in the Telegram group and Telegram channel. আর WhatsApp চ্যানেলে অ্যাড হয়ে যেতে তাড়াতাড়ি। থ্যাংক ইউ।